Introducing BitBoost, the revolution of finance with decentralization. DeFi has been booming over the last 2 years and has rewarded generational wealth for those who have been playing it well. From being a liquidity provider, engaging in yield farming, or leveraging on lending protocols. Introducing BitBoost. BitBoost is a one-stop solution for crypto communities which is incorporated in the British Virgin Islands and approved to the Financial Securities Commission with a staggering $50 million startup capital. Our streams of income range from yield farming, liquidity provider pools, DeFi tokens appreciation, and interests collected from crypto loans. BitBoost provides not only convenience, but also efficiency for those who choose to participate in our program. All you've got to do is choose from one of the major cryptocurrencies available for deposit and stake it in our protocols. Engaging into DeFi farms and matching lenders to borrowers through our vast database, creating massive opportunity for anyone to earn in our ecosystem. By leveraging on BitBoost's strategy, you're able to rake in as much as 255.5% APR or 1,132% APY if you choose to auto-compound dividends which are paid to you daily. All digital assets deposited into BitBoost are highly secured and withdrawal can be done anytime. From as low as $50, anyone can start their journey in cryptocurrency and let your assets work for you every second of every day. So what are you waiting for? If you're someone that enjoys making extra bucks while you're asleep and letting your cryptocurrency work for you, go on and join the BitBoost community to start earning from crypto asset-backed loans today.